Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Price prediction. Bitcoin price today is $28,446 with a 24-hour trading volume of $37.27 billion, market cap of $549.77 billion, and market dominance of 46.09%. The BTC price increased 1.15% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 1, 2023 at 3:44, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 29 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 1 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on April 1, 2023 at 3:44. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $28,248, Bitcoin has support levels of $27,882, $27,297, and the strongest at $26,931. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $28,833, $29,199, and $29,784. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $29,156, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 61, greed. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.33 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.72%, meaning 327,157 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day Simple Moving Average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 77 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 19 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 443 days ago, on January 13, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 53 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $22,087 by April 30, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $28,145 by April 30, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 61.76, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to drop by minus 0.41% and reach $28,339 by April 6, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 61, greed. Bitcoin recorded 50% green days with 11.31% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. News: Thief who held $3.4 billion in Bitcoin deserves prison, U.S. says. Federal prosecutors urged prison time for a Georgia man who stole more than 50,000 Bitcoin valued at $3.35 billion when authorities seized it in November 2021, which at the time was the second largest financial seizure in U.S. history. The seized Bitcoin is now worth $1.48 billion, but James Zhong, 32, should do time behind bars for his heist in 2012 from the Silk Road dark website, prosecutors told a federal judge Friday, noting he deserves leniency for helping authorities recover the stolen crypto. Zhong pleaded guilty in November and wants the judge to spare him a prison term. Zhong hid his caper for a decade and spent $16 million of the proceeds on real estate investments, luxury hotels, nightclubs, and cars like Lamborghinis and a Tesla, prosecutors wrote in a filing in federal court in New York. The Bitcoin he sold for that high life was valued at $142 million at the time of the seizure, they said. Put simply, this conduct warrants imprisonment, Assistant U.S. Attorney David Felton wrote in the filing. Zhong is scheduled to be sentenced April 14. Read more. Sam Bankman-Fried's arrest shows crypto cops are catching up. While taking out some Bitcoin he was storing on Silk Road, the notorious online black market, Zhong double-clicked the withdrawal button by mistake, getting back twice as much as he'd put in. He deposited more coins and quickly withdrew them, double-clicking each time, to parlay the glitch into a windfall of 50,000 Bitcoin, each worth about $12 at the time, court records show. When federal agents seized 50,491 Bitcoin from Zhong's lakefront home in Gainesville, Georgia, it had exploded in value. The cryptocurrencies were found stored on devices in a safe under floorboards and on a single-board computer stowed in a Cheetos popcorn tin in a closet. He later surrendered more than 1,000 additional Bitcoin. Federal sentencing guidelines call for Zhong to spend 27 to 33 months in prison, and probation officials recommended 24 months. In a memo filed Friday, prosecutors said his youth, his autism, and his help in recovering the stolen crypto warrant less than 2 years behind bars. But they argued that Zhong concealed his actions for 9 years by moving some of the Bitcoin through so-called mixers that make it harder to trace transactions by jumbling tokens together. They also say he was evasive and untruthful with an overseas crypto exchange about the source of his holdings. Clear message. Zhong needs to go to prison to send a strong and clear message to others that cryptocurrency thefts and frauds, no matter the victim, run the risk of incarceration, the government argued. It has, unfortunately, become too easy for advanced, computer-savvy individuals like Zhong to target and victimize holders of cryptocurrency from behind computer screens, and to hide their crimes through a web of concealment-focused transactions, mixers, and offshore cryptocurrency exchanges, prosecutors said. Last week, Zhong's lawyers filed their own sentencing memo arguing he should get probation, arguing that while he had no right to the stolen Bitcoin, neither did Silk Road. They said the marketplace isn't a victim in the true sense of the word under the law, noting that the marketplace's founder, Ross Ulbricht, contacted Zhong and asked him how he took the cryptocurrency. But he never asked for it back and sent more. Zhong is the product of a dysfunctional family in childhood, his lawyers said. His divorced parents showed him no love. He was severely bullied and victimized by his peers because he was different. He was extremely shy, overweight, and most significantly, suffered from undiagnosed autism spectrum disorder, his lawyers said. Having no friends or family he could turn to, Jimmy found solace and friendship in the world of his computer, the wrote. The case is USA v. James Zhong, 22 CR 00606, U.S. District Court, Southern District of New York, Manhattan. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.